Yeah. I'll show you how to tie it up. What up? Yeah. Tie it up though. I ain't gonna show you that though. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm chilling with a bad bitch. Never fuck with average. Sipping on the bottle, music bumping like Agni. Laptop on the lap, Facebook and just add me. Flyer than a bitch. How the fuck you gon' pass me? Hat, short shoes, and my shirt says grab me. Knocking on your girl's wall, she let me in gladly. Never met this girl, but first now she call me daddy. Fuck you doing, acting like a fool again. Always been the problem child, never been a hooligan. Wings up and out like a motherfucking pelican. Tatted up everywhere, looking like a Mexican. If you can't stand me, why the fuck you keep texting? Then I'm getting money all night, call it David Letterman. Then I hit the club and blow it all like a ceiling fan. Then I leave the club and crush a bitch like a beer can. Fuck you knowing shit, just recycling, pass it to the right, then pass it to the left. If you really listen to my words, you would say I was the best, but so many critics out here like to contest, so fuck you, you and you. Had to get that off my chest. Rude young nigga, soul swallow and digest. I'm still living in a shot, so you can't tell me I ain't blessed. How you the best? At your worst, I guess that shit's just a curse. Fuck you doing? Hey. Hey, okay, I'm still bullshitting on the track. Yeah, yeah. I said I'm still bullshitting on the track. Hey, I'm not done though. I got a couple more lines for y'all. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, okay. I got a couple more lines. Okay. Always at a place, so you know I jumped the line. Say you got a bad bitch, but to me she just a 5. Damn. Okay. Fuck it. I'm done. Freestyle. Go. 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 Subscribe me. Taylor Gang Young. Nerdy. Fuck you mean? I'm just bullshitting.